There we go.
So, did y'all understand everything we learned this week?
Yeah.
I think
That's
so.
good. I don't know.
For the most part.
Kind of confusing to me, but
Mm.
I'll just have to go over it a few times.
Yeah.
I'll get it eventually. Anybody have any questions?
Um,
I think so.
No.
Ryan, are you going to be able to get the quiz up tonight, do you think?
I am praying. I have a lot of faith today, so it should show.
Alright. Should we just get started in the quiz? I guess.
Yep, I think Ryan's trying to get his to come up.
Okay. Bad.
Let's see. I hope this quiz is shorter than the last one.
Me too.
No,
It's not?
it's 14. I guess it's a little bit. It's 14.
Well, so really it's 12 because of the first
Oh,
two.
true.
That's not too bad.
True, true, true. All right. All right. Did it populate for you, Ryan?
It's loading, so you guys can go ahead. Okay, it just came up, so I'm hitting start quiz.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. So find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is 50 and the population is 25.
That's what we have to do.
Error.
Okay. So 90% is 1.645. Actually, I don't know how to do this one. Can someone explain it?
Um, okay. Let's go to. Alright, I lied. I really don't know.
So does it give you the point estimator?
Well, it says that the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval with a standard deviation of 50 and n equals 25. So, 90% confidence. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. So z is 1.645.
Now, it is 1.645.
Yep.
Side of
So what is the x bar number?
Um,
Because isn't the formula x bar plus 1.645 times 50 over the square root of 25?
I think for this one we're just supposed to do z times the standard deviation divided by root of n.
Oh, okay.
So that would be 50 divided by the square root of n.
Of 25.
The answer is 16.45. I'll
It says,
accept it.
what? We're supposed to do 3 decimals?
Yeah. I just did that. I just did the times by 10 in my head, so I don't actually know what the next decimal is. Oh, just kidding. It's 64.5. Never is after that.
Okay, so what is it?
164.5. That's what it is times by 10. Which is what 50 divided by 5 is, because the square root of 25 is 5.
Oh, yeah.
I had 22. Am I right?
Wait. Well,
Oh,
square root of 5.
because I did a square root of 5.
Of 25.
Oh, 20. Oh, no.
It's 16.45.
I was like, what's going on? That's not the right answer. 16.45, yeah. I was right the first time. I was like, this is not the right answer.
Wait.
So do I
Alright.
No,
0?
it's not 10.
Well, yeah,
No.
50 divided by 5 is 10.
Yeah.
You have to times it by 4.
By what?
The z-score.
Ooh, what is this score? The 90?
1.645.
1.6.
Which
Oh,
is the z-score for 90%.
16.5?
0.45.
Okay, 0.45.
We lost Ryan.
0.45 or 54?
0.45.
Okay.
Okay. Question 4. Which of the following statements is true? And a bunch of numbers. Which of these
Okay.
is true, guys?
All
I don't want to read them out.
right. Well,
Estimator.
Sample mean, critical. Well, X bar is the point estimator of the sample mean. That's one thing that's true.
X is point estimator of mu. That one.
Okay.
The second one.
Well, I was just reading my notes, and by X bar I have equals sample mean, and then in parentheses point estimator.
All right. Then the second one would be right then. Or is it the mu is the point estimator of x?
Good point.
Let me go through my notes.
I think you're right.
Okay.
So it's
Did you see your notes?
well. If mu is unknown, how do we know then x is close?
Well, you know, another note that I have is X bar estimates the mu.
Stupid toys.
Huh?
Oh, it's my fiance. He's acting like a child.
That would never change, so don't worry.
He speaks the truth.
You see this? Yes. I feel like a child.
You going to bed? Good night. Oh, stop it. Sorry, guys. I'm at my house tonight, so there's all these people.
That's okay. So in my notes, I have X bar estimates mu, and then I have X bar equals sample mean or point estimator. So I don't know which one it is.
Well, I can't find it in my notes, so if your note says that, then let's go with what your notes say.
It kind of says both.
Both?
So we put the second one or the third one?
What do you think, Kenny? You can be the deciding factor here.
Well,
Would, but
if we don't know mu, so how do we get close to x? So the short answer that will be something saying it doesn't know. This does not mean that we are helpless. So I think it's the second one.
Okay. Listen to us. Sure.
I can be wrong, but
No, you can't.
oh, it's Brian.
Huh?
He needs a new computer.
Yes, he does. Is he back?
No.
No.
Okay. Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for GMAT scores. She knows that the standard deviation is 113. She collects a simple random sample of 64 and computes X bar at 526. Use this information for the next 6 questions.
Okay. What is the point estimator for the true GMAT score?
Yes. I told you I had a hard time understanding this.
Okay. So we had
My notes don't have
standard
anything to
deviation.
do with point estimators, so I must have been learning the wrong lesson here.
It says we
And-
take a point estimate plus or minus the margin of error.
Okay.
Example, people voting for Barack Obama, what does a confidence interval mean? We are X% confident that the true value is between the lower limit and the higher limit. Okay, so this is the formula. X bar plus or minus Z times 113 over 64. Okay, so we're going to say
That would x bar minus c
Oh, there.
times standard deviation square root of n. That one.
Okay.
That's the formula?
Yeah, so 95% is 1.96. And then times
Okay, got
113 over the square root of 64. Okay, I
Can you
guess.
hear me?
But I thought the point estimate was 2 numbers. So
Oh,
now,
no, the square root of 64 is 8.
thank you. I was just going to do.
And so then you do x, so 526 minus 14.125, and then you do 526.
Where are you getting 526? Oh, because I wrote it down wrong. Never mind.
When we add it together, it's 540.125.
What was that number?
540.125
Okay.
minus 14. Subtract it, it is 511.876. What do we do with those answers?
Yep, that's a good question. Because what is the point estimate for the true GMAT score? And that's the.
We just put in parentheses?
uh,
I don't know.
I'm just going to put it in parentheses and see how it goes.
What do you mean? You're going to put both of those numbers in there?
Well, yeah, like it's a graph. So I'm going to put, because on the textbook it shows, like the way that they have it, they have x minus the formula, comma, x plus the formula, and in parentheses.
The whole thing in parentheses?
Mm-hmm.
So that would be x minus 1.6 over the standard deviation divided by the square root again. That one, that formula.
Yes?
Are you putting the formula in, or are you putting the 540?
I'm putting the... Here, I'll show you what my screen looks like. Maybe, if it lets me. Cancel. Cancel. Okay, fine. Desktop. Alright, so that's what I'm doing.
All right, that's what I did.
Okay. Cool. I would like that.
All right.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
Now we want the margin of error.
For 95%, so that is 1.96 times 14.125? No?
Yeah. Yes? Yes.
Is this the one we always round up? No.
I don't know.
It's not. It's not.
Okay.
So it's 27.685. What? You know what? The answer before is not right.
What? Okay, we'll make it right then.
Because the answer to number 8, if you save it, its field must be a valid number.
Oh. Do we subtract the 540 and the 511 then?
I know, that's kind of what I was thinking, but
Okay.
28.249, or I wonder if we can put, I don't know.
I'm just going to do the 20.249.
28.249?
Yeah, is that what you said it was?
Yeah. If you subtract the 2.
Then
Yep.
yeah.
So the lower level is 511,876,
Mhm.
and the upper is 540.125.
Yeah.
I got lost.
Okay, where are you, Kenny?
Well, I got a number only for number 5 right now. It's 498.315.
Wait, how'd you get that?
I did a formula in Excel. So I put, let me see which formula I use. I don't know, maybe it's something different or not, but I will show you. Where is it? There we go.
I just realized in our textbook there's this little button that says click here if you love math.
I use this formula. I don't know am I right or wrong. I'm not quite sure. And I use it here in Excel using, the standard deviation and the values that we have. And then I had those two numbers. This one is with the minus and this one is with the plus. Are those the number that we're looking for? Sorry, then I...
Those aren't the numbers we got.
Okay. Okay, so I'm trying the other one. And then for number 6, it will be the same formula, it will be different formula.
I think 6 is just those two numbers.
Okay.
The lower one and the higher one. Instead of putting them in the parentheses, we just use 6 and 7.
Oh, you don't, it works if you don't put them in parentheses?
Really?
No, I'm asking you.
No, for the answers for 7 and 8.
Oh, yeah.
7
Sorry.
and 8.
For 7, we got 511.876. And for 8,
511?
0.876.
Someone is texting me. I hope it works. What happened? I miss you guys. It's Ryan talking. Sorry.
You know what? I got 553. Kenny, did you get 553.685?
Yeah, that will be number 5, I believe. So that's the point. I don't know. Huh?
I might have done my math wrong.
You want to do it again? Because
No problem.
Sorry to
all good.
I just close out the quiz, the applet, and anything I have open is Google Hangout, how it works.
So
Did you get different answers this time?
I'm getting it right now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's,
Hey, can you guys hear me?
Yep.
Of course.
Okay. So I just exited out of my quiz and the applet and basically everything, so that's the only way this will work. So,
that's awful.
I know. It's weird because it works with everything else. Like, this laptop's perfect for everything, but for some reason with Google Hangouts, it just, I guess, takes up a lot of Wi-Fi. I don't know.
Because it sucks.
Yep.
I forgot to times it by 2. That would be the problem.
What?
Here we go. Okay. 5, 2, 6.
So wait a minute. Where? What?
All right. So.
All right. So where are you, Kira?
All right. So I'm doing the solve for the equation. I'm solving the equation.
For what number?
And, oh, wait. I might have done it wrong. I might have done the problem wrong. So why don't someone else give me the
Okay.
So is the equation... Okay. What equation are we using? Is it x plus or minus...
Which?
Or is it...
For which question?
For all of the questions.
Okay. So, well, I can tell you for 7, I did 526 plus or minus 1.96 times 14.125.
That's what I did wrong. I forgot to times it by that, and I was looking at another problem up on the textbook.
Okay, so
on there.
Question 7, I got 498.315.
7.
Okay, sweet.
Wait, what's 7?
Okay, so Kenny just sent me the quiz questions.
Oh.
Which question are we working on?
7.
7.
Okay,
So
Kira, I got 498.315. And then for 8, I got 553.685. And Kenny, isn't that what you got on your Excel spreadsheet?
Which one? Number 5?
No, number 7 and number 8.
Okay.
That's those two numbers you had, the high and the low.
I think so. Yeah. If I did a formula, then I show you. I guess yes.
So, Kira, that means we need to change the answer to number 5 if we're going to subtract those two numbers.
For number 6, you mean?
No, number 5.
Because number 5 is the point estimate.
So what is that?
And number 5 was the margin of error that we had to go with. Wait, what? Okay, let's just do 5 and 6 all over again. Sorry, guys.
Yes.
Can you send
Yes.
me the information for problem 5? All I have is the question. I don't know the intro to the question.
Okay, here's the intro. Gina wants to construct 95% confidence interval. She knows the standard deviation is 113. The simple random sample, or n, equals 64. And computes x bar equals 526.
You get it?
Yes, I did. Thank you, Kenny. Thank you.
All right, what's the z-score that we're working with? Again?
The
So the
z-score
z-score would be
is,
1.96.
yep,
Yeah.
Okay. So 1.66 times.
1.96.
Wait, 1.96.
Okay. All right. Times. All right, that's still 14.
For true. Okay. Which one is for true?
Okay, 14.125 times 1.96 equals. All right. The point estimator is just the equation x times the standard deviation divided by n, the square root of n, right? No, wait.
Wait, point estimate?
Z times it.
Or
Or is that the margin of error?
On the preparation assignment, it says what is the point estimate for the population mean, and it says for that it's just 551. So you don't need to do any equations for the point estimate.
Okay, so what is the point estimate?
So I believe that would be 526.
Okay.
920, so 9.6?
No, 526.
Oh, 526. Okay.
Right, Ryan?
This assignment.
If we're going off of the preparation assignment, yeah, that's what we
Okay.
put.
I figured out how to do the margin. Figured out how to calculate the margin of error.
Ooh, nice.
So that is the z-score times by the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. So what we were doing as the point estimate, actually how to do the margin of error. So the answer for 6 is 27.685, so we got that right.
Okay.
7 and 8, we have the answers for now.
7 and 8 we got.
Those were the answers you gave me, right?
Right. The 498.315 and then 553.685.
Right.
Those are the higher and the lower?
Yes.
All right.
Wait, so could you repeat that? So number 7 was 498?
498.315.
Uh-huh. And then number 8.
553.685.
Okay. Thank you.
And number 5?
Number 5 is 526. 526.
Oh, that would be. Oh, okay.
Okay.
And
Right.
the 6?
27.685.
Okay. Sweet. Save. There we go.
And number 9 I think is it decreases.
Oh.
Is anybody else for that one?
Mm,
For me.
And then number 10, what would happen if the width of confidence interval, if Gina changed it to a 99?
Oh, that's true. You are correct.
Okay,
The number 9,
okay.
it would decrease.
And then number 10,
Or would it, no, not.
What happened to the width? Change.
so that would increase.
Would it?
I believe so.
Okay. So these next questions are the one where you round.
Okay. Right, bulb, light company planning.
Okay. Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of the light bulb. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. What is the sample size? What sample size do they know?
So the sample size is n. So n equals
50 hours.
Okay. N equals the standard deviation, no, the z-score times the standard deviation divided by the,
what you by the 120, 102.
what? Where did you get 102?
Oh, never mind. Never mind.
Okay. So the standard deviation, the z-score for 95% is 1.96, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. And
And you
then
multiply that by what?
you do 196 times 400 divided by 50, and then you square that. I know I'm doing this right, guys, because I looked into the book. This is for sure the right answer. Right, ready to do it.
$246.
Okay.
Well, you guys do it too. Tell me if I'm right.
I got 245.
Yeah, but you round up. Didn't you say these are the ones you round?
So 246. Yep.
Yeah,
And
246.
yeah, they said no matter what it is, you always round up. So
Right.
Okay. 46.
if I knew math, I'd be an actuary.
Yeah, that's my brother. He just got his bachelor's in that.
Wow.
They make
All right.
pretty decent money.
Okay, so the mean salary.
Question.
What?
Sorry, just 3 more. I was really excited.
Oh, what did we get for number 3? I don't think I've even seen the question.
Numbers.
450.
Yep.
And then 4 was 16.45?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, good. So 12.
Oh boy. Okay, so the mean salary factor. What formula do we use for this?
One in the parentheses. Because it's asking for the lower limit of the 95% confidence interval.
But it says you set up a hypothesis test with a level of significance of 0.05. Does that make a difference for this?
I don't know.
I remember in the review, sometimes you have things you don't need.
Oh. Maybe that's it, because there's nothing about needing that.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, but you know what? We don't have a percentage, right? Oh, duh, 95. Never mind.
Anyone have an answer?
And I think 13 says we need the upper limit of 95%.
Oh.
This is 95%, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So I got 110,988, and then $111,012. Anybody else get that?
I got different answers.
Well, you know what? I used 111,000.
Yeah, that's the
And-
sample mean. Or the, I guess the sample.
Wait, okay.
That makes sense.
36 is... Because I got 99,000, so 99,001.533 and 122,998.467.
What numbers did you use in your calculation?
I did 111 plus or minus 169 times 36,730 divided by 6.
Which equals 6.122? That part. What? Why did you do one? Wait, what did you subtract or add?
111,000
Yeah, minus what?
minus 19, so it's minus the z-score, which is 196.
Oh, okay, yeah, I thought you said.
So 36720 divided by.
Oh, wait.
So 36,730 divided by 6 is 6121.67.
Yeah, you don't even, yep. I put 6.1, so.
Oh, okay. And you times that by 1.96.
So, yeah, so you got 98,999.566.
Let me go back to that step. For which thing?
The minus.
No, I got 99.099.
Okay, wait. Okay, so what'd you get for the minus?
For the minus, I'm redoing it just to be on the safe side.
Okay. Oh, shoot.
Okay, so 11,000 minus 11. I got 99,001. So 99,001.533.
Why do I keep getting a different number?
What numbers are you? What is your What number are you adding and subtracting?
Okay, so I'm taking 111,000 plus 1.96 times 6,122.67, and I keep getting 234. But when I do 111 minus 1.96 times 6122.67.
6121.667.
Didn't you get 98999 point for the lower level?
No.
Oh, okay. So what am I doing wrong?
All right, so you divided the 3670 by 6, right?
36730 divided by 6. I got 6,121.6. Did you do 0.67 or did you leave the point off?
No, I did 0.67. I did 0.46 in the last time. I might have done this wrong. So you might be right from that one. Which times 1.6 6 equals, oh no, just kidding, that was right. So times it by 1.96.
You don't times it by that.
Yeah, you times it by the z here.
I thought you added or subtracted it.
No, you add or subtract the 1, 1. You add or subtract everything times together from the 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So it's the z-score times that.
Okay, so I think I got the same numbers. What numbers did you get again? I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Did you get 98999.566?
So you take the 6121.666 or whatever, and you times that by 1.96, and that's the number you add or subtract. I'm going to try that one more time just to make sure that's right, and I'm not just. Alright, let me do.
I got some numbers, but I don't know if I got right.
What numbers did you get, Kenny?
The lower it was 99,100.53.
You got 100,
And
001.
what's up?
You got 100, 99,100, not 99,001.
I will show you. Will be easier. I mean, it can be wrong, but yeah, we can.
This is the one that I'm.
All right, that's what we got, Kira. Was the 99001.
Okay.
So do you see it? The one thing I have.
For a minute.
How? So that means I need to talk more, and that way you can see me more. La 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 la. La la la.
Okay. You know what? If you hit your name, then it stays up.
Okay.
Okay, that's what. Okay, got it.
Those
You
are
got those same numbers, Kira?
I know what.
Yeah, they're the same numbers.
So what's the nearest whole number? 99,000?
The nearest whole number would be, for the lower one, would be 99,002.
Okay, this isn't the one where we, okay.
So would this be for 12?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. 2.
Ho.
And then the upper one is, would you do 123,000?
No, you do 122,999.
99002. There we go. 122999.
Is that, I'm sorry, okay, all right. This isn't the one where,
So we're rounding to the nearest whole number, but a whole number isn't, we don't have to make the whole number in the thousands, it's just the nearest whole number up. So since the, correction, since the decimal is 0.467, we just keep it there because we don't have to round up. So it's 998, because that's a whole number.
Okay.
Final question. Does everyone have the answers?
So for 13, it was 1,222. Wait, 122,998.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I believe 14 is all of the above.
Awesome.
What do you guys think?
Yep.
What are we talking about? Number 12, what was the number for
14.
12? Oh.
Oh,
Which
The
one do you
low-
need, Kenny?
The lower it will be the 99,000, right? And the upper it will be the 122, right?
The lower is 99,002,
Mm-hmm.
and the upper is 122,998.
998? It's no 9?
No, it's 998. Sorry.
Which one?
I rounded up when I shouldn't have.
I was like, what? And for 14, it will be all the last one, right? All of above.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, we good to
Yeah.
submit?
Yes.
Yeah.
He says with confidence.
There you go.
Yes.
Holy cow, we're
Yeah.
good. Good job.
did we get 100?
Woo.
Yes.
we did.
Yes.
Wow.
I know.
Okay, can
I'm gonna cry.
Isn't it?
my grandpa teaches statistics, and his students always called it sadistics.
What?
I believe
should probably I should probably get going because I'm gonna talk to my girlfriend's bishop today
Oh,
to have a meeting with him. So that should
all
be fun.
right.
Fun.
Oh yeah.
Did you go ring
Okay,
shopping?
I'll see you guys later.
All right, bye.
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 All right. See you guys Tuesday.